Not thinking he's very happy tonight. Alright guys, now I'm ready to talk. Welcome to this week's episode of Adapting the Outdoors. We are at my buddy's private pond again. And on one pole over here, I've got a bobber and a night crawler. And on the pole in my hand, I've got a Roadrunner. On last week's episode, I was calling it a rooster tail, but it's actually a Roadrunner. And in a few minutes, I will actually give you a close-up look of what that is. I think I got one. Nope. I do now. He just nailed it. It's a little bass. I do mean little. He was like maybe 6 inches. 4 or 6 inches. We're out here doing another evening fishing trip. It's just been too dang hot to get out during the day. Plus, my dialysis schedule kind of screws things up like that. Oh. That was a big old fish. I think it was a bass. You got something. Looks like a bass. Yep, that's a bass. And yes, y'all, he made it into the water. He just kind of short landed. But I assure you, he is fine. Got one. That's a little better. Still on the small side, but it's not too bad. About a 6 inch, 8 inch, probably closer to 6. So, I'm really excited to say that on next week's show, we will start talking about a little bit more about bow hunting. I'm actually going to a buddy's house, and we're going to shoot some bows, some guns, my crossbow, and whatever else he comes up with. Oh, crap, something big's got it. It's a bass. Yeah, he'll get back in the water. Cool. He's back. I knew he was going to pop off. About a 10-inch bass. Wasn't anything major. But he certainly waked in the water. You can see it cause a big old stir up. Hi! Landowner's wife is across the lake. Landowner's silly dog is up there doing zoomies. It's too darn cute. Got one. Oh, that's a chunk. And he absolutely engulfed it. Got it. Check that out, boys. A little bit bigger. And he'd been a keeper. But not quite. Now I got one. This looks like a bass, though. It's because it is. Not a bad fish. Got one. Just a little guy. But a whole lot of fun, guys. I'm having so much fun out here tonight. There's something about, by the way, guys, this is what a Roadrunner looks like. There's something about that red flake that I just love. What I originally had on here was the same color, but the tube itself was actually a solid tube. And they just decimated the crap out of it. So I had to find some of my own tubes. Nope, got one. Ah, I had one. Oh, I got another one. No, it's a stick. Stick fish. Oh, got one. Oh shoot. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. No! Uh-oh, what did I get into now? It's a catfish. No, it's a big old bass. Oh my God. Lord, please let me get it in. Please let me get this big boy in. Don't horse him. Just... Oh no, it's a catfish. Damn. Check that boy out. Oh, you little turd. Well, guys, I'm starting to run out of camera light, so I think I'm going to pack it up, and I'm going to keep fishing, but I'm going to quit filming. But if I happen to catch anything more in the next couple of minutes, then I will certainly bring you guys back and show you what I've caught. So if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button, because I can promise you more amazing footage like you've had tonight. Hit that thumbs up and give this video a like. Check out my social media sites as well as my sponsors' social media sites. They are located in the description box below. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time right here on Adapting the Outdoors.